Hello guys, welcome to yet another video from me Hari, and in this video I'm going to show you my new gaming headset, that is the HyperX Cloud 2. So this is a premium level gaming headset, almost premium level gaming headset. It's not the top of the line gaming headset, it's an almost premium quality. So this is a 7.1 surround gaming headset. So it uses a USB sound card that is provided in the box. So you plug that sound card into your computer's USB port and it emulates the 7.1 surround system for your headset. So you plug the headset's 3.5mm jack into the sound card and the sound card will give an 7.1 output into your gaming headset that's in the box. So that's how the 7.1 system works in this headset. And also you can use the headset in your mobile phone as well as your gaming consoles by directly plugging the 3.5mm jack into your mobile phone as well as your gaming consoles. And also this gaming headset is a Discord as well as TeamSpeak certified, so you get the optimum performance from this headset in your TeamSpeak as well as your Discord servers. So that's a huge plus for this headset. And without wasting much time, let's go ahead and unbox this headset and see what all comes inside the box. So let's go guys. Over the box, the branding is given here. The HyperX Cloud 2 Pro gaming headset, premium USB sound card, virtual 7.1 surround sound card, advanced noise cancellation mic, then the Discord certification as well as the TeamSpeak certification is mentioned here, and the compatibility is mentioned here: PC, PS4, Xbox One and mobile. And there's a HyperX logo that's given here, and in the sides there is also the headset's picture as well as the logo. And in the back, it's the features that's given here: 100% metal memory foam, detachable mic, 53mm neodymium drivers, and it's given in multiple languages, and free technical support, 2-year warranty, that's mentioned here, and the sound card's photo as well as the headphones photo and the mic's detachable microphones photo is given in the back side. So now let's unbox this and check out what all comes in the box, guys. So inside the box we get the headset itself with the braided cable and a 3.5mm gold plated jack, you can see here. And the next thing is the detachable microphone boom and with the gold plated ends here. And then this is the main stuff, that is the 7.1 sound card. It's a braided USB type sound card which has a almost 2-meter length braided cable, and this is the sound card, and here is where the headsets 3.5mm jack goes in, and in this you can control the headset volume as well as the microphone volume. And in the center there's a 7.1 button that's given. Pressing that you can switch on or off the 7.1 virtual surround sound system. Then you get a plug. You can plug in the headset here and plug in this to the microphone and the headset port of your systems. But without using this 7.1 cord, you can utilize this. Then you get couple of fabric type ear cups which you can swap this ear cups with this if you are comfortable with this. This provide more noise cancellation, this provide more comfort, and you will sweat less if you use this, but this provide more noise cancellation and good sound effect. Then you get a pouch. You can put in the headset in this while you are traveling and carry with you, and a HyperX branding is given here in the case, the pouch. So that's all came in the box. So guys, if you like the video, click the like button. If you are not a subscriber, click the subscribe button as well as the bell notification icon, so that you get notified each and every time I upload new stuffs online. And if you like this product and if you like to buy this product, you can buy from the link in the description box below. So see you guys in another video. Take care. Bye bye.